Although he witnessed firsthand the drama at the Guam Legislature, having watched both from his office and at the public hearing room over the past few days, Attorney General Leonardo Rapadas says it's still tough to comment on Bill 19 entirely, as he has yet to see the final version.
We at the AG's office, we did not recognize the end product from where we started. It was a totally different animal.
Speaking before the Rotary Club of Northern Guam today, Rapadas says his office actually worked with Senator Chris Dueñas on Bill 19 and was a supporter of the original Bill 20 before it was substituted to include a provision to fund GMH instead through gaming machines. The AG opposed that measure, and its position remains today.
We oppose it because we don't believe that those regulations are valid. Firstly, because law trumps regulations. And secondly, we don't think the regulations were enacted properly or legally.
Essentially, Bill 20 was included as an amendment into Bill 19. And regarding the amendment proffered by Senator Michael Nicholas to ban all gaming, limited gaming, and gambling machines once GMH's debt is paid off, Rapadas says, speaking as an observer only, it does raise concern.
If that's the case, there'll be issues with certain individuals and certain groups regarding fundraising activities, and that's just a short answer.
And as they wait for whether Governor Calvo will sign the bill into law, Rapadas says he remains firm on his opposition on these gaming machines. It was 2 weeks ago, in fact, when the AG filed a lawsuit against Reverend Tax and Governor Calvo over its decision to renew hundreds of amusement devices it believes are illegal. During today's Rotary meeting, he said using revenue from these machines to even fund the hospital is illusory and illegal.
Illusory in that such revenue legally does not exist. Illegal in that it is based on an erroneous assumption that gambling devices are legal.
Rapadas adds he's not against helping fund the hospital, but would rather the legislature do so in a legal way. Ultimately, he says his biggest concern is that the law is followed.
That is the bottom line for myself and the office. And our position, again, with the regulations, our positions are that the law is not being followed.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.